I was, I think, 4 years old when my parents first took me to the swimming pool. My dad used to be a swimmer when he was young. He felt that values that swimming brought to him in his life would be good values to have for his children as well. The training regimes were pretty rough. Every day you were pushing the limits of your body. You had to know exactly what you could take. Felt like a personal battle, all leading up to one moment in one swimming competition. Even though esports or League of Legends is not a physical sport, there's the same eagerness and nerves that go through me before every single esports match than I had the same in swimming. It was always about getting closer to a new high that you can reach. It was just an endless pursuit of perfection. Whenever you take another stroke, whenever you take another breath, you feel the water putting up too much resistance to you or not. Similarly with League, you always have these moments where you feel like something could have been done different. Even though I've come so close, I don't feel bad about it. It's just a reaffirmation for me that if I work harder, it is gonna happen. I don't think I would be the same person today if I would have never touched the swimming pool. Discover what inspires you.
Kia, movement that inspires.